Hi guys, it's Cheyenne
and Jon from Takeout Sleepover, coming at you with our very first YouTube video about how we bought a bus for our Skoolie conversion.
We plan to bring you along as we talk conversion, dreams, family, and all that good stuff. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so it was a crazy day. We got the bus.
We got the bus.
Like, I could not be happier. The guy that sold it was super nice. He actually knew my mom because they work together, so small world. And right now we're just getting ready to go back home. It was like gray, wet, rainy, so we didn't really take too many photos or too much videos of the bus, unfortunately, but we'll take more when we get back, you know. And it was just a really good day.
Yeah, we lucked out in a lot of ways. Yeah. Definitely more ways than one. It was a 2007 bus. Does not have the ECM, which is great.
Or any of the people know what that means.
It's the emission control that a lot of schoolies tend to have, the newer models, and that leads to engine problems when it has it. It's a headache we don't have to deal with. What was the other thing?
I don't know.
It's the bus we wanted, rear engine, pusher.
Yeah, flat nose, of course.
Flat nose, of course, because who wants anything else? I'm just kidding. I'm joking.
I'm just really excited. A few more weeks until we get to like really drive it down to his grandparents and work on it. So figuring out how we were gonna get to the bus today with all of our stuff in order to drive down to Texas. We had we had a lot of different options, and so it was kind of a last minute scramble. We had to take a train to get our Uhaul. We were kind of I'm gonna stop struggling right now. Hold on, so I'm gonna just go like this. We're gonna pack the Uhaul, go up to the bus, bring the stuff over to the bus, and then drive down from upstate to Texas. And so right now we're just in the Uhaul, heading back home. Yeah, we're just here, excited to start our adventure. So we're on the Palisades. It's 33 miles of mostly straight, and I never stay up. And if I fall asleep, I'm gonna hear Jonathan's mouth, so I'm supposed to be his driving partner. But we've been up, so I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. I don't know what time did you, 3 o'clock? You've been out there since 3 o'clock? Yikes. It is like 1 something, 2 something right now, almost 2 o'clock. So we have not taken a nap yet. Extremely tired, but I'm gonna stay up. I promise you guys, I'm gonna stay up. So after a long day up here, we're on the bus. We have to, okay, so the guy that we bought the bus from, you know, he owns a storage, he has other buses as well, and he's working on his friend's bus until 9, which is good, because we were wondering if we would have to, like, move it out and, like, park in a Walmart, but he's here till 9, so we have a lot of hours to, you know, get the bus situated. If we have any last-minute questions, we can ask him. He's here to help. When I tell you we could not have found a better guy to buy a bus from, like, everything is amazing. It really is. The bus has a lock system that regular school buses do not have, so we actually do not need to buy temporary locks. Like this, we tried. You cannot break into the door when it's closed. No, it's not happening. We have his car seat hooked up. It's a little crooked, so we might move it. Right now, Jonathan's gonna pass me some power tools and start loading up we gotta hook up a 12 volt because it doesn't have that already. We have to hook up like that lighter, the car lighter 12 volt system. We did buy one of our fridges. We're gonna buy another one for to kind of complete our fridge and freezer for the final build. But we did go ahead and buy one of them. Yes, sweetheart. You just came down. You wanna go back up? We did just buy one of them for this trip down so we can have something to eat. You know, it didn't have to all be pantry food. But overall, I'm glad. We're tired. We only had like a few minutes rest while we were waiting for him to come let us in. But yeah, here is Jonathan right now. And so we're gonna get started. All right, catch you guys back later. That's my baby working. So the guy that sold us the bus, he let us know that one of the batteries was not good. And so Jonathan said when that happens, it's probably pulling down the other battery. And so even though the other battery is good now, we don't know how long it's going to be good for. So in a case like this, we got to switch out both batteries, right? Cool. So we had priced the batteries online. It was hard to find because it is a bus battery versus a car battery. We go to the place, they don't have it. I look up the other place that could have it, they don't have it. We come here, we say, okay, we're just gonna, because it's good enough to drive for now, so we were gonna, like, on our way, try to find batteries, get them, switch them out. We get here, him and the guy who sold the bus to us, him and his friend are working on the bus. Oh yeah, I told you guys he's staying here till 9. So he's like, well, I bought the 8D top post, but his bus needs side post. So he's like, I'll give you both batteries for $400. One battery was gonna cost us $400. More than that, plus tax, plus, well, we'd have to like recycle the core and stuff like that to get our money back, but it was gonna be money. And so now coming here, we got both batteries for $400 even, and Jonathan's changing them out right now. That's what he's doing. And here's our new batteries.
Just for record, these batteries are 120 pounds each.
My strong man showing off. So it's just really, really cool that we're gonna get to start with good batteries. And we needed at least 1,100 cold cranking amps. The new ones are gonna be 1,750 cold cranking amps. So they're a lot better than what we were gonna get. And for way cheaper, half the price. So like, come on. But look at God. I've been doing all the small stuff, small loading, because Naeem, baby. Yeah. So here is it doesn't look like progress, but I promise you it is. This is our U-Haul. It was not full, but we needed a 3-seater for his car seat. So we had to get the 15-foot bus. It's almost almost unpacked. Yeah, we're gonna figure this out. And Jonathan's gonna probably redo everything that I did inside and make it neater, but that's just what it is. After the batteries, we gotta hook up our fridge still and the security. So I'll let you know, guys, how that goes.
We're in Virginia right now. Like about 10 o'clock in the morning the next day. We slept, ate, we've been at a rest stop, filled up on gas. Everything's been really good, really smooth so far, so that's, you know, a blessing. I've been trying to be a good driving partner. Right? Have I been doing a good job?
Yeah, you're doing alright.
So, stamp of approval. He's really been enjoying it because, you know, he likes cars and trucks, and he actually loves sitting in here. I thought he was gonna be fussier about it, but he's like, no, like, I want to sit down, I want to be buckled up, whatever. Like, this is really cool to him. We've been like making sure to take it slow and not do too much. We've done this drive from Texas to New York twice, so this is the first time doing it from New York to Texas. But the other 2 times it was like a U-Haul and then the Santa Fe. So this is the first time in like a super big vehicle. The U-Haul was only 15 feet. This is 32. So I'll let you know where we end up stopping. We'll probably drive for most of the day. You know, we have food, so we really only have, and we filled up on gas, so we really only have to stop to pee or because we want to. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know what day it is. I don't know how long we've been on this damn bus. I have been tired all day. Naeem's been frustrated all day. Jonathan's been keeping steady driving. I'm proud of him for that. We are almost out of Tennessee. Then we have to go through Arkansas.
To where? What was that?
Then we have to go through Arkansas, and then we'll be in Texas. I just want it to be over. I'm just tired of driving, and I'm not even the one driving. So, you know, I want to shower. I want to change clothes. I want to sleep on a proper bed. And then I want to unpack so we can start on this build. Like, I'm really excited about that. But I know I'm going to need, like, to have maybe like a day of proper rest before we start on anything. And, like, plan it out. When we start, we're not just tired already. You know, there's no rush. There's a rush, but there's no rush. So, you have any words to say, my love?
Almost there. Almost there.
Yeah. He's been keeping strong, so, yeah.
Woohoo! Every wife and mother's nightmare right there.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
He wants to run around. So this is our bus. We'll do more of a tour. Okay, more of that. We'll do more of a tour when we get to Texas. But right now we're at the border of Tennessee and Arkansas. We really had to use the bathroom, so we were trying to hold it till we got gas, but so.
Naeem, now go that way. How's it going, guys? We are here in Texas. I have parked the bus to its remodel location, and it is great. So far, my son has been liking the open space of my grandparents' backyard. We even set up a little tent for him down here. So it's been great. It's very sunny out here. I don't know if we really showed the inside of the bus now that it's empty. So now we're gonna tackle taking out the seats and seeing how much into the floor that we can get. We do have these annoying wheelchair racks here that are gonna be a pain in the butt to take out, but we will get them out. Do plan on taking all these rails out as well, providing that they are not supporting the ceiling in any kind of way. I do have to double check and make sure, because looking at the framing of the bus, I don't really see any other support really going across that you would normally see on school buses. So I still have to figure all that out, but it finally starts now.
Beep beep. You wanna go somewhere? Yeah?